welcome to my channel Greetero. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. So if you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all the support, guys. So today's picker card reading is the Lord Ganesh messages for you guys. So what Lord Ganesh wants you to know, that is going to be this reading for you. Okay, so remember, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. And I hope you get some inspiration, motivation or some guidance from this reading. That will make me super happy. And I hope you have all your dreams, you get your all dreams fulfilled. So these are the three groups here. This is the first group for my first group. This is the photo for the first group. Okay, then this is the photo for the second group. Okay, this cute little Ganesh, I love that. Okay, so wait a second, then we have this group 3 here with this Ganesh. Okay, so 1 2 3. So close your eyes, relax your mind, call upon Lord Ganesh and connect with him, and select a pile that connects to you intuitively, that might have a message for you guys. Okay, in the description box below I have the timestamps. You can go ahead and check the video accordingly. Okay, so remember, this is a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. Okay, so 1 2 3. If you want more time, pause the video and just take your time and select the photo that is calling you intuitively. Okay, remember that. So yeah, so group 1 who would choose this photo, I was drawn to this book, so I feel like that many of you are learning something new, or you're new into the spirituality. You are changing your concept about your maybe you're changing something about your lifestyle or something. You're changing your routine. You're getting more spiritual day by day, and including spiritual activities in your life. I feel like that because of this lotus also. I feel so, lotus, I'm attracted to this lotus also. It's about spiritual awakening also. I feel like that you're gonna bloom. Okay, you have so much of, you're understanding your gifts. I feel like that. So you have a gift or something like that in your understanding. And with this, we have this first card is like the mystic healer. So maybe you are a healer. Okay, you are understanding that you have some kind of healing abilities. Okay, so you're getting the clarity. I feel like that many of you, okay, you might be healers, so you might be stepping into this new zone. Okay, you're a little bit afraid also about this. I feel like that many of you don't know what to do. Okay, so Ganesh is saying just research or take some course about it if you don't know what you need to do, because I feel you can be like you can heal other people through your words. Or maybe healer is like you want to do some nursing job, or doctor or something like that, Ayurvedic, something like that. You're going into that, so you need to learn more about it. Okay, so with this book also, maybe it's just a spiritual healers also. You can be like doing tarot or something like that also. You're learning, so you need to concentrate more on that. You need to learn more. Okay, so maybe you are afraid of something, you don't know where to start. So that's why we have this first card over here, stress. So you are trying to do so many things at the same time. Maybe you're researching so much that you don't know where to start from. Okay, so I feel like that many, you are trying to do so many things at the same time. Maybe you are learning something else and you want to learn this, and you don't know what to do in the middle of something. So it's like, just go with your heart what you want to do, and take one step at a time. Don't be in a hush like this person is so much in a hush doing so many things at the same time. Don't try to do so many things at the same time, because I feel with this Four of Swords energy here, you need to relax a little bit. Okay, you need to relax a little bit more. Okay, so don't try to do so many things at the same time. So maybe you are understanding that you want to learn something new, and then you were doing something else, and now you are understanding that you want to do something new, and then you are like, what should I do with my life, and you are just so stressed. So don't be in this stressful energy. Just take a break. Okay, when you're feeling so stressed, take a break, relax, and then start new. Okay, because this is what you need to do here, turning end. Okay, so you're your ego is talking, what if you fail? Your ego will say that if I take this path, if I fail, what will happen, what will other people say? But this woman is going inside her. She is like, she's like understanding what her intuition is saying to her, right? And so she is so in peace. So the Ganesh Bhagwan, Lord Ganesh wants you to know that you need to get inside yourself, you need to meditate more, because you have this spiritual ability of healing, that you can heal others also. So at the same time you can heal yourself also. So whatever you're planning, just go inside yourself, okay? You are the best, you can only make the best decision for yourself. Lord Ganesh wants you to know that they are giving you messages. Your internal guidance is so strong, so when you meditate you will get that, okay? And with this 4 and 4, I feel you are finally going to be stable. You will be stable, you will have the stability in your life. But the only thing you are, if someone is stopping you from achieving your stability, is you, okay? Is your self-doubt, okay? So that's what Lord Ganesh wants you to know, that you are getting in between, your doubts are getting in between, your ego is getting in between all these things. Because sometimes things take time. When you start something new, it will not happen very quickly, it will take time. So you're constantly in this self-doubt mode, whether this will work, this will not work, and you're stressing a lot. So that's what Lord Ganesh wants you to know, that relax, chill, okay? Everything happens at the correct time, and don't worry about things. You just keep moving forward. If you want to learn, if you want to take an online course, go ahead and take it. Why are you thinking so much, okay? So don't stress about the things. But the main energy is healing. You have this healing ability. Many of you are understanding your gifts right now, so it might be difficult for you, to change your path. It's difficult. So that's why they are saying your internal guidance is loud and clear. When you go and meditate, you will get the answers, okay? And look at this, we have this Ace of Swords, energy. You can read energy. Some people can read energy. I feel like that you have this quality, spiritual quality. You are healers with this energy, spiritual. You can you have this, this, what is positive energy, what is negative energy, that, okay? You can understand that, you can understand other people, you can for the, I feel for this is very, very spiritual also. Maybe some of you want to learn, do help other people, like nurse, doctor, or something like that, or I don't know, I feel like it's like a more of a spiritual energy coming here. You're understanding who is good for you, who is not good for you. You're understanding the truth about yourself. So it's little bit, you're feeling stressed about it, because you're understanding new things about yourself. So just go and meditate. Don't let the ego stop you from achieving anything that you desire. And if you believe in Ganesh Bhagwan, Lord Ganesh, just call upon him. He will remove all the obstacles from your life, okay? So remember, this is a path, it's a journey, so it is not gonna be like fast. So don't be in a hurry, okay? And then Queen of Wands, yes, you will be this Queen of Wands energy. You will be independent, and you will be doing that. You have the potential. The Lord Ganesh wants you to know that you have the potential to do what you want to do in your life. If you want to do this, you can do this, okay? If you want to do something else, you can do that also, okay? So you can make your choice. And when you are making a choice, when you're making a decision, please go inside of yourself, meditate and reflect on that. And when you your heart knows what you want to do, not your ego. Your heart completely knows what you want to do. So if your heart says that you're a healer, if your heart says that you want to do this course, go ahead and do it. Why are you thinking too much, okay? Because of this stress, you're thinking, your ego is speaking to you. So it's time to get ground your energy, meditate, relax, okay? And then ask for guidance from the divine, from the angels, from Lord Ganesh. You will get it, and you will be this independent. I see like an independent person, who has the financial independence, or whatever you want in your life, you will gain it because of this Queen of. I feel Queen of Wands is like this passionate, fiery energy. She knows what she wants, and she's intuitive at the same time, and she's her own boss. She doesn't she know what she wants to do in her life. Like that kind of energy is coming here, okay? So yeah, stand up for yourself, believe in yourself, don't get into this ego mode, okay? Don't let your ego talk to you. Instead, go inside yourself and connect with your heart, connect with the divine. You have that energy, you have that healing quality. So yeah, many of you may know you are a healer, okay? So just go on with it. Let go of that energy of ego. You know the truth, you will have the clarity, okay? Because with Ace of Swords, you will get the clarity for sure, okay? And then you will know what you want to do in your life. So just don't worry about anything. So just let go of the stress. That is what Ganesh Lord Ganesh wants you to know that let go of the stress, connect with your intuition, connect with yourself, meditate. Okay, so that's it for pile number 1. If you like the reading, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care. Hello group 2, who will choose this cute little Ganesh. So I'm just drawn to this peacock feathers. Okay, so maybe that might be like something important to you guys, so you can just search for the spiritual meaning. I feel Lord Krishna vibes also with this peacock, so that is also coming here. Lord Krishna and Lord Ganesh, all blessings upon you. They are blessing you. Okay, so what is, yes, choosing your path. The main energy is to choose your path. All is possible. So whatever you're thinking is possible, guys. So choose your path wisely. Make a decision now. If you don't know what you need to do, just connect with your intuition and go and follow that path. Don't worry about anything, because remember, Lord Ganesh is blessing you and all is possible. I feel many times we are the one who restrict ourselves, right? Isn't it? We think that we are not able to do it, and that's why we stop ourselves from doing or achieving it, because we don't know our potential. We don't recognize our potential, or maybe because other people think that we are weak and all, and we get into that. We just think that we are not unique, or we don't have that capability. It's their thinking, it's not our thinking. So it's time to choose the path. Be bold and just stay and follow your passion. Follow what you want to do in your life. Okay, don't do something that other people wants you to do something that you want to do. So that is what Lord Ganesh wants you to know. And whatever you're thinking is possible. Okay, it's not impossible. Okay, whatever your heart says, it's the idea that is the divine giving to you. Okay, so remember, you're meant to do this, so just go with this. Okay, existence with this magical energy, magician first, and 1 number, and then we have look, 1 and 2, moment to moment, and then this is adventure. Okay, so this is like a page of pentacles energy. So something new. It's definitely, this is a new path for you. Okay, you don't know what you need to do, right? You're confused, you don't know where you're going because of this adventure, I feel like. So Lord Ganesh, look, this is also a child, and you just pick this cute little Ganesh. So this is like a childlike energy. Okay, something new is coming, new beginnings with this childlike energy. I feel like that. So it's important that you also be in this childlike energy when you're not thinking too much. Okay, sometimes what happens, I told you, earlier, that we are the one who restrict ourselves. So it's important to go with that childlike energy, childlike innocence, where you're ready for everything. The children are not worried about their future. They just live in the moment, right? So that is what it's telling. Lord Ganesh wants you to know that take this path and just go moment to moment. So like this person is just gonna go like this, one moment at a time, then they will go to next, then they will go to next, right? So sometimes we will fall. Okay, it's okay to fall, and then just get up. Okay, just get up. There will be challenges, there will be ups and downs in this journey, but you will fall, then you will get up, and then just go again, moment to moment. Okay, one day at a time, or 1 minute at a time. So just take that and experience this adventure. It's not about reaching the destination, it's about enjoying the journey. Okay, so Lord Ganesh wants you to know that be in this childlike energy where you are having fun and doing your work at the same time. So whatever work you're doing, just have fun. Okay, like the cute little kids, they don't think too much, right? They just enjoy, they just play, and they move on to the next thing, right? They don't think about they don't overthink. So that energy should come here for you guys. So you have this power. Okay, this magician power, I feel, existence. I feel, look at the stars. Take some time off and just go and look at the stars. Have you done that? Or you are always in this busy schedule where you don't have time for yourself? Just go and just look at the stars at night. They might want you to know something. You might get some information from there. Who knows? So I feel you are a magical manifester also. I feel with this energy, this we have this green here, we have this green here, we have this green here, we have this green here also, right? So yeah, I feel that you are meant to be this abundant people, and you are the one who can create your own abundance. You have that power. You need to know that you have this magical power inside you. So take one step at a time, okay? Don't be in a hurry, okay? So, and just go, follow your bliss, follow your path, choose your path, and know that everything is possible. Sometimes you need to think that, I intend to create this and I will create it. Say that to yourself, that I will create it. No one can stop me from achieving my goals and dreams. So just move forward. So and at the same time, have this fun energy inside you, this joyful energy, this childlike energy, having fun at the same time and doing your work. When you do your work with fun and without stressing, it will give you good results. So that is also what Lord Ganesh wants you to know, okay? And maybe peacock feathers will help you. So if you have, keep it with you, okay? I feel like that also. Look, this hermit mode, okay? So yeah, and emperor, okay, wow. So yeah, so it's time to get inside yourself. It's time to do something for yourself. You have this light inside of you, okay? So remember, whatever path you're choosing, maybe you will feel that you are alone, but you have that much light inside of you that you can achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. So just move forward one step at a time, one, okay? And then you will be the emperor. You will be able to balance things. You have the quality of balancing things. And look at this, there is so much of shine coming, isn't it? So you will be shining, and here also I feel the stars are shining. So you will have that shine, okay? You will be shining, okay? You will be getting recognized. I feel like that also for your work, okay? When you choose this path and move forward, I feel you are meant to help other people also. With this joyful energy, you will be helping others also to be in this joyful energy. Maybe you're the people who makes other people laugh, or you help other people, and you will be your own boss, okay? I feel with this emperor also, no one can stop you from achieving anything that you desire to. So the only one who will stop you from achieving something is you, okay? Remember that. I feel like that. So yeah, get into your meditation mode. Your internal guidance is loud and clear. Maybe you can connect with the stars, because I feel the star energy here. So if you want, you can just look at the stars and speak to stars, something, all are unique, and maybe that is your speciality. It's not weird, okay? Sometimes people label it as weird, but it's not weird, okay? So we have all unique qualities. You're connected to the divine, okay? So Lord Ganesh wants you to know that, have this playful energy. So when you laughed, like when was the last time you just played like a child? When you did a crazy thing, just get into that mode, that childlike energy. Don't be in the serious mode. That also Lord Ganesh wants you to know that. And just connect with yourself. You have the shine, and this light, that the light that you have inside will also uplift others, I feel, in some sort of way, because you are experiencing something and you will be able to tell others, because you will be the emperor. You will be able to guide others also, I feel like that. So you are meant to do good things in your life. So just choose this. If you have chosen a path, just move forward. Don't think anything, and have this experience it, okay, with joy, okay, with this playful energy. It's hard. Sometimes we feel that it's hard to do that when we are stressed, but that is what Lord Ganesh wants you to know, that have fun. If you fall down, just laugh and get up, okay? So that is what they're saying. Lord Ganesh wants you to know that, because finally you will be able to achieve this emperor position, okay? You will be this Aries. Here I'm talking about you, so I'm not going to talk about some love life, but this is about your soul thing that I'm talking about. So that is why I'm telling you about this message. It's about you. Now I'm talking about you, okay? What you want to do in your life, that is what I'm going to talk about. Anyways, one more thing I want to know is that you can do anything by yourself. You don't want someone else. Even if you're alone, if you feel alone, go ahead and do it, because you have this divine energy with you. You have this help from the divine. So listen to your intuition. Your intuition is loud and clear also, I feel, with this hermit mode, okay? So just listen to your intuition, go forward and do the things you want in your life. Don't think that other people will help you. You can do everything by yourself, I feel. For the spell also, you have that magical power, okay? So that is all I have for group number 2. If you like the reading, please give it a like, subscribe, comment, or a share. I will see you soon. Bye bye, take care. Hello group 3, whoever choose this Ganesh. So let's see what is your main message. So taking shelter, the answers are within. Okay, so for pile 1 and pile 2 also, this was there, that you need to listen to your intuition. Your internal guidance is strong and you need to work on that. So for this pile, it's the main message that you're not listening to your intuition. You have all the answers to your questions that is within yourself. You don't want anyone else guidance for that, because your intuition is so strong. So do what your intuition say. Okay, I feel for this pile, many of you are not listening to the intuition. Okay, so that's why you're not able to get the things you want in your life. Okay, when you listen to your intuition, when you go in this meditative mode, and when you connect with your higher self, you will get the success, you will get every opportunity you desire. Okay, so that is what, in the cold also you will have that light shining. Okay, because you have that much of light shining inside you. You know, you are able to connect with the divine. For this whole reading, I feel these three piles, they are connected spiritually in some way. And so yeah, you are also, your intuition is so strong, but you're not trusting your intuition. I feel for this pile, you're not trusting it, and because of that only you are not able to achieve the things you want to achieve in your life. So Ganesh wants you to know that it's high time that you listen to your intuition and work on that. Okay, look at this, the first card, you have possibilities. So I feel you're getting so much of creative ideas through your intuition, but you're not working on that. So it's time to take action, because that will give you so many possibilities. Okay, so it's high time you just go within yourself and just trust your intuition and do that. Why are you restricting yourself from taking that idea? Because that idea will lead to success. So whatever that, look at that, you know, if you trust your intuition and have faith in the universe and believe in your intuition and do the work you want to do, you know, take action according to your intuition. You know, it's about all about your intuition, about your internal guidance. So what your heart sees, what your heart wants, ask your heart. And I feel for many of you are getting so many ideas. Okay, and you feel these ideas will not work and you're not taking action accordingly. But Lord Ganesh wants you to know that when you take action according to your intuition, you will get the success, because you have got this card, right? Success card. You will be happy with your choices. Okay, because, and I feel for many of you, when you take action with this idea, you will get many opportunities also, and that will lead to celebration. Look at these two cards, the most favorable cards. You know, you got the success, and look, you know, so much of happiness with these two cards. I feel so much of happiness. You're enjoying with your friends, celebrating. You don't care about the rain, you're just happy. You're, you know, that kind of energy is coming. You will be able to have the celebration. Okay, so if you want to do something, go ahead. If your heart is saying something to do, why are you stopping yourself? Just go ahead, because you know, if when you trust your intuition, or when you go with that idea, that intuitive idea, intuitive nudge you got, and when you will take action, you will get all the happiness you want, you deserve actually. Okay, so it's important to know that all the answers are within yourself. Don't look, you know, don't go and look in the outside things. I feel like that it's just time to go inside and look within yourself. The answers are within. You have so much of possibilities. Look here, we have this regret card. So 5 of Cups energy, you know, I feel like that many of you are in this past energy. Maybe you have failed. Okay, maybe you have failed. So, you know, it's okay, sometimes we fail. That doesn't mean that in the future also you will fail. So that's why you are you don't want to go with your intuitive nudge, because you were disappointed in something, and you feel that if you take this chance again, maybe it will fail again. So that's why you're just looking at your past energies and regretting things. That's why you're not able to have the success. Look at these other two cards. You know, again you got the 6 victory. So that's a confirmation here. 2 different decks, and you got the same card, 6 of Wands energy, victory, getting recognized for the things you're doing. Okay, fame, everything that you want to do in your life, you will get that victory. Okay, so whether it's something you wanted from your heart, you will achieve that. But you are in this 5 of Cups energy, where you're not seeing, you're not trusting your intuition. You're looking at the things that you lost. That's why you will not be able to achieve your success. If you will be in this energy, you will not be able to achieve, I would say that. Okay, but you have the potential to achieve all the success in your life. When you go within yourself, when you trust your intuition, then you will be able to have the stability in your life. With this 4 of Wands energy, you will be able to have this completion, where you will be feeling completed, where you feel, wow, I did a good job, and you will be feeling happy, you know. Where you will not be looking at this like 5 of Cups energy, where you will be very, you will have a firm foundation, where you will be happy with your foundation, where you will be happy with your home life, you will be feeling completed, you will be feeling so good about yourself. I feel like that. And you will be celebrating, because for completion is, this is also a celebration card, and this is also, you got a celebration card, 3 of Cups energy, right? So yeah, there are, you have so much of potential. You will be victorious, you will have the recognition that you deserve, whether it's in your career or in your love life. But what you are not looking that inside yourself, you are not trusting your intuition, you are in this past energy. So that is what you need to clear. When you clear that, you have so much of potential of success. That's the thing that Ganesh wants you to know. So you need to get out of this 5 of Cups. You need to release your past, you need to let go of the things that is not serving you. You need to trust your intuition more and more and more. Okay, complete faith, there should be complete faith, but you are not doing that. So that is the only thing you need to do. And when you do that, you will have all the success, because 2 different decks. Okay, so yeah, that's a huge confirmation here with that. So you need to change your perspective, you need to trust your intuition. That's it for group number 3. If you like the reading, give it a like, subscribe, comment or share. If you okay, that's it. Bye bye, take care.